Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can restore your Trust Wallet. So let's jump right in. To begin, you'll need access to your old device, unless you already have your 12-word recovery phrase written down and stored safely. If you still have the old phone, open the Trust Wallet app and tap on Settings. From there, go to Manage and select your wallet, usually labeled something like Main Wallet or Multi-Coin Wallet. Next, tap on Recovery Phrase, and you'll be prompted to enter your password to reveal it. If you haven't already saved this phrase somewhere, make sure to write it down immediately and store it in a secure location. This recovery phrase is essential. It's the only way to restore access to your wallet in case you lose your device or switch phones. Now, switch over to your new phone and install the Trust Wallet app from the official App Store. When you open it for the first time, choose I already have a wallet. Then select Multi-Coin Wallet to begin the recovery process. Enter your 12-word recovery phrase in the exact order it was provided. Once that's done, tap Import, and your wallet will be restored, giving you access to your crypto assets just like before.